Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we got Kingston Properties Limited. That's K-Prick company that's been doing it all. Talk about improving their earnings in the last couple of years and doing a lot of mergers and acquisitions and deals. Trading in their shares here. Advisory that a director purchased 330,000 K-Prick shares on August 22nd, 2022. Next up, we got SSL Venture Capital. They're doing their renaming ceremony today. That is August 25th. Now, if you check the JSE newsroom or the Jamaica Stock Exchange, it was actually in terms of, the whole name change, the ticker symbol, all of that good stuff. It was actually already done. So today is just really a formality, but it's a good look. Bottom line here, as previously announced on the Jamaica Stock Exchange in their newsroom, that's jamstockx.com. It was approved for SSL Venture Capital to be renamed to MFS Capital Partners Limited. Welcome to the JSE. As we mentioned, the name change ticker symbol already done, but the ceremony held today, very successful, August 25th, and it was also broadcast live on the Caribbean Business Exchange cable channel. That's that whole JSE. They had, the whole public relations or the whole launch actually yesterday or earlier this week by the Jamaica Stock Exchange, their TV channel. Congrats to them. Next up, we got Dolla Financial Services Limited, one of the leading microfinance companies right here in Jamaica, trading in their shares. Senior officer selling down or sold 500,000 shares, 500,000 shares in Dolla, August 22nd. In overseas markets, US markets, Peloton, did this deal with Amazon. It got a nice uplift in shares, but it has been short-lived. Let us tell you, Peloton definitely taking back some of those gains almost immediately based on reporting large losses and declines in revenue. Now, these are Peloton's fourth quarter results, for the company. Sales declining and also costs talk about mounting. We're going to get into the numbers on Business Live, which is what we love. Now, what is coming is, of course, the company is executing an aggressive turnaround plan, and Peloton, though, as expected, did not offer a new fiscal year outlook, given the turnaround plan and the issues that they're going through. Now, Peloton states as we knew, that this is a company's sixth consecutive quarter of losses and mounting losses. The losses for the 3 months ended June 30th, that's their fourth quarter, were actually $1.24 billion US compared to a loss of $330 million US year over year. That's pretty much, almost 4 times the loss year over year. So it's going to be difficult for the CEO to tell the market and the analysts about this turnaround plan. It's going to take time on the back of 6 consecutive quarters of losses. And revenue fell also. That's a big concern. 28% year over year to 678.7 million for the quarter under review. So it's a big storm for Peloton because revenue is falling also. Last up, of course, interest rates, inflation, just a continued topic. When are things going to settle down? US 10-year Treasury Note Yields dip, but still above 3%. Now they rallied, but they dipped slightly by 1.5 basis points after rising. They're now trading around 3.09%. A lot of those bond traders out there, investors, analysts, they're awaiting further Federal Reserve comments to see the market outlook. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a fantastic evening. This is Business Live.